Climbing. It's not only about reaching the summit. It's about the journey, the challenges, the triumphs, and the bonds that are forged along the way. At the heart of climbing lies leadership and teamwork.
Nice work. How you feeling? Good. Long day? Nice work on steering.
Climbers navigate shifting, complex environments. They think outside the box, push boundaries, and support each other through the toughest of times. So what is the toughest climb in the world? Is it Mount Everest, K2, Annapurna, or El Capitan? Or perhaps it's the climb of your business, a journey that tests your vision, your endurance, your financials, your courage, and your patience. The most formidable climbs are seldom attempted alone, but rather with a trusted team. So if your business is scaling to new heights, why not ascend with the experts? A team that you can rely on, a team that you can trust, a team that always has you on belay.
I think about the bottom self.
Let our team at Evolve guide you, and together we can elevate to loftier heights and explore uncharted summits. When you're ready, the climb starts here. Evolve.